Hello, this is Jane for Boatshed Essex and I'm on board the Moody 29 with an interior video. So we start off to port with a lovely decent sized galley, a good headroom, cooker and oven, sink and cool box, a nice generous saloon area, and good headroom throughout. Then we have the generous sized table, fold out for a nice large dinner table and a double berth underneath the saloon area to starboard. And we have a nice sized nav table, storage underneath. The owner obviously has his personal items on board. A nice sized quarter berth with new upholstery there, still in its bag. Difficult to show you that, but it is a nice size and goes back well. Engine underneath companionway steps. You can see our engine video on our webpage. And going forward we have a double berth. Again, new upholstery which is still in its bag. And then we have separate heads with an electric toilet and good storage as well. Go through and turn round, then we have the sink. Just open the door. That's it. We have a mirror as well. And that's a good generous sink. Storage as well. If you've got any further information that you'd like, if you just visit our webpage at boatshedessex.com, and there's some further media and some videos there. Thank you very much.